When it comes to military rifles, not all guns are created equal. Some might look tough, but only a few truly live up to the battle-tested standards. These 10 rifles aren't just for show. They've been through the fire and come out on top. Used by elite military units around the world, these are the weapons that separate the amateurs from the professionals. From high-precision shots to relentless durability, these rifles have proven themselves in the harshest conditions. And the best part? You can own them. That's right. These military-grade tactical rifles are available to civilians, and today we're counting down the top 10 you can actually buy. So, hit that like button, subscribe, and let us know in the comments which rifle you think deserves the top spot. Ready to see which rifles made the cut? Let's dive into number 10 and start the countdown. Number 10. Steyr AUG A3 M1. Kicking off our list at number 10 is the Steyr AUG A3 M1, a bullpup-style rifle that's been a reliable tool in military service for decades. First introduced in 1977 by Steyr Mannlicher, the AUG became famous for its unique design and battlefield performance. The A3 M1 is the civilian version, offering updated features like improved accuracy and modularity, all while maintaining its military-grade toughness. Weighing 8.1 lbs with a 28-inch length, the AUG A3 M1 is compact for its barrel length, offering great maneuverability in close-quarters combat. The 20-inch barrel delivers excellent accuracy, and the rifle uses a gas-operated rotating bolt system with an integrated optic for fast target acquisition. Its quick-change barrel system allows users to adapt to different missions easily, whether that's swapping for a longer barrel for precision or a shorter one for tighter spaces. Renowned for its reliability, the AUG A3 M1 has been tested in various combat conditions, including urban warfare and desert operations. The bullpup configuration offers great control, and the rifle's tool-free disassembly makes maintenance simple. Used by elite units like the Australian SAS and Irish Rangers, the AUG has earned its reputation on the battlefield. While the civilian version can cost around $2,000 new and $1,500 and $1,800 used, it offers unmatched innovation, precision, and durability. For those seeking a versatile, battle-tested rifle, the Steyr AUG A3 M1 is an exceptional choice. Number 9. HK-MR556. Coming in at number 9 is the HK-MR556, a rifle that takes the battle-tested HK4N16 and makes it available to civilians. Developed by Heckler & Koch, the MR556 brings the precision and reliability of military-grade engineering to the civilian market, making it a top choice for tactical enthusiasts and serious shooters alike. Weighing in at 8.9 lbs and with an overall length of 33.9 inches, the MR556 is designed for stability and accuracy. It features a 16.5-inch cold hammer forged barrel, renowned for its durability and long-lasting performance. The gas piston system, which keeps the rifle running clean even in harsh conditions, is one of the standout features of this rifle. It's a significant upgrade from standard direct impingement systems, ensuring that the rifle stays reliable with less maintenance. The MR556 also comes equipped with a monolithic rail system, ensuring that your optics maintain zero through thousands of rounds. The stock adjusts to 6 positions with no play, providing customizable comfort. And the ambidextrous controls make it easy to operate for both left and right-handed shooters. This rifle is designed for serious use, whether for tactical training, competitions, or home defense. Military and law enforcement units trust the HK416 platform, and the MR556 delivers that same proven performance to civilian owners. New, the HK MR556 typically costs around $3,000, while used models can be found for about $2,500 to $2,800. If you're after a rifle that combines German engineering with military-grade reliability, the HK MR556 is one of the best you can get. Number 8. CZ Bren 2 MS. At number 8, we have the CZ Bren 2 MS, a rifle that redefines what it means to be an efficient, versatile weapon. Developed by Czech firearms manufacturer CZ, the Bren 2 MS is a refined and improved version of its predecessor, offering greater performance, reliability, and modularity for both military and civilian users. Weighing 7.13 lbs with a 14-inch barrel, the Bren 2 MS is lightweight yet packs a punch. Its overall length is just 25 inches with the stock folded, making it an extremely compact and portable rifle. The gas system is fully adjustable, allowing you to switch settings on the fly, whether you're suppressing the weapon or using it in dirty conditions. This flexibility makes the Bren 2 MS ideal for a variety of situations, from tactical operations to personal defense. What sets this rifle apart is its exceptional accuracy and smooth operation. The Bren 2 MS has a cold hammer-forged barrel, ensuring long-term durability and precision. The rifle's high-quality construction includes heat-treated and magnetic particle-inspected bolts, and every rifle is test-fired before shipping, ensuring maximum reliability. The Bren 2 MS is also known for its ambidextrous controls, which allow for seamless operation whether you're left or right-handed. The stock locks solid when deployed, and the pistol grip angle is perfect for rapid target acquisition, making it an excellent choice for professionals and enthusiasts alike. With a new price typically around $2,000 to $2,300, and used models available for around $1,800 to $2,000, the CZ Bren 2 MS offers a high-performance rifle that is reliable, versatile, and built to last. For those who demand more than just the basics, this rifle is an excellent choice that brings Czech engineering to the forefront of modern firearm technology. Number 7. IWI Tavor X95. At number 7, we have the IWI Tavor X95, a modern bullpup rifle that has earned its place among the most reliable and durable firearms in the world. Designed and manufactured by Israel Weapon Industries, IWI, the Tavor X95 has been battle-tested by the Israeli Defense Forces and is known for its compact design and exceptional performance. The rifle features a 16.5-inch barrel while maintaining a length of just 26.125 inches, making it more maneuverable in close-quarter combat situations. The X95 utilizes a gas piston system, providing cleaner and more reliable operation compared to traditional direct impingement systems. This allows the rifle to perform flawlessly in harsh environments, from deserts to cold climates. The rifle's modular design also allows for quick and easy conversion between right and left-hand ejection, a feature that's ideal for shooters of all preferences. The ergonomic design of the Tavor X95 ensures that it is comfortable to shoot, with its bullpup configuration placing the action closer to the body for better balance. The rifle is equipped with a cold hammer-forged barrel and a trigger mechanism that delivers a crisp, clean break, making it ideal for both precision shooting and rapid fire. The rifle also features a Picatinny rail for easy mounting of optics and accessories. In terms of pricing, the IWI Tavor X95 typically ranges from $1,800 to $2,200 for a new model. Its price reflects the rifle's military-grade reliability, performance, and advanced design. Number 6. Springfield Armory St. Victor. At number 6 is the Springfield Armory St. Victor, a tactical rifle designed for reliability and performance in any situation. Built to meet the needs of both military and civilian users, the St. Victor enhances the standard AR-15 with premium features, making it one of the best values in the tactical rifle market. weighing 6.1 lbs with an overall length of 32.25 inches when collapsed. The St. Victor is a compact yet powerful rifle. It features a free-floating mid-length gas system with a melanite-treated barrel, which ensures durability and consistent accuracy even during rapid fire. The rifle also includes a 5.5 lb trigger brake for precise control and a muzzle brake that reduces recoil by 30%, allowing for faster follow-up shots. Springfield Armory didn't cut corners on quality. The St. Victor uses a high-performance bolt carrier group, the same as those found in more expensive rifles. The rail system remains cool under sustained fire, and the flip-up sights are perfectly aligned with optics, offering fast target acquisition. While the stock has slight wobble when fully extended, and the handguard heats up after prolonged use, these are minor drawbacks compared to the rifle's overall performance. Typically priced at $2,100 new and around $900 used, the Springfield Armory St. Victor is a highly reliable and affordable rifle that provides military-grade features for the price of a standard AR-15. Whether for tactical operations or personal defense, this rifle stands out for its durability and value. Number 5. SIG MCX. At number 5, we have the SIG MCX, a rifle that revolutionizes modern firearm design. The MCX is not just another AR-15, it's a completely new approach to the rifle platform, designed to be modular and adaptable to a variety of mission needs. Developed by SIG Sauer, this rifle is engineered for flexibility, durability, and performance, making it a top choice for both military and civilian use. Weighing 6.8 lbs with a 16-inch barrel and an overall length of 32.5 inches with the stock extended, the SIG MCX is built for both compact maneuverability and precision. The rifle's gas system is fully adjustable, allowing users to switch between different gas settings depending on the ammunition or environment. This feature is especially beneficial for suppressor use or dirty conditions, ensuring that the rifle performs reliably no matter the scenario. The MCX is equipped with a monolithic rail system, ensuring that your optics hold zero even after thousands of rounds. The stock is folding and bomb-proof, and the rifle is designed to be completely modular. Whether you need to change the caliber, swap barrels, or even adjust the stock configuration, the MCX allows for all of that with ease. Used by special forces around the world, the SIG MCX has proven its worth in demanding conditions. Its innovative design and versatility make it an excellent choice for anyone looking for a high-performance, adaptable rifle. New, the SIG MCX typically sells for around $2,000 to $20,300, with used models ranging from $1,800 to $2,000. For a rifle that's ready to tackle any mission and adapt to any need, the SIG MCX is a top-tier choice. Number 4. Barrett REC7. Coming in at number 4 is the Barrett REC7, a rifle that takes the AR-15 platform to the next level. Built by Barrett, a company renowned for creating heavy-duty precision rifles, the REC7 brings military-grade durability and performance to the civilian market. Whether you're looking for reliability in harsh conditions or precision for long-range shooting, the REC7 has you covered. Weighing 6.8 lbs with a 16-inch barrel, the Barrett REC7 is a lightweight, battle-ready rifle designed for both close quarters and long-range engagements. What sets the REC7 apart is its gas piston system, which keeps the rifle cleaner and more reliable than direct impingement systems found in traditional ARs. This piston-driven system allows the REC7 to continue running smoothly, even in the dirtiest environments, making it a favorite among military and law enforcement units. The REC7 features a precision-machined cold hammer forge barrel that enhances accuracy and longevity. Its monolithic upper receiver provides greater rigidity and enhances the overall stability of the rifle, making it more reliable during extended use. The rifle's rail system is perfect for mounting optics and accessories, and the ergonomic design ensures comfortable handling, whether in tight quarters or on the move. Used by military forces worldwide, The Barrett REC7 is a top performer in tactical operations and a highly regarded rifle for enthusiasts seeking ultimate performance. The Barrett REC7 is priced around $2,500 to $2,800 new, with used models available for about $2,000 to $2,300. If you need a rifle that's reliable in the harshest conditions while still delivering pinpoint accuracy, the Barrett REC7 is a fantastic choice. Number 3, HK MR762A4. At number 3 is the HK MR762A4, a civilian version of the renowned HK4A7, designed for precision, reliability, and tactical effectiveness. Chambered in 7.62 NATO, 308 Winchester, this semi-automatic rifle is perfect for both tactical operations and long-range shooting. Weighing in at 984 lbs with a 16.5-inch cold hammer forged barrel, the MR762A4 strikes a balance between portability and accuracy. Its short-stroke gas piston system is one of the key features, keeping the rifle cleaner and reducing maintenance compared to direct impingement systems. The adjustable gas regulator allows for tuning between suppressed and unsuppressed firing, enhancing its versatility in different scenarios. The MR762A4 is equipped with ambidextrous controls, making it user-friendly for both left and right-handed shooters. Its 20-round magazine, along with a 2-stage trigger with a pull weight of 4.5 to 5.6 lbs, ensures consistent performance. The free-floating M-LOK handguard offers plenty of room for accessories while maintaining accuracy, and its overall length ranges from 35.5 to 39.5 inches, depending on stock adjustment. This rifle is trusted by military and law enforcement worldwide for its durability and precision under demanding conditions. The HK MR762A4 is a premium rifle, typically priced around $3,000 to $3,200 new, with used models going for about $2,500 to $2,800. For those who demand unmatched reliability and performance, the HK MR762A4 is an outstanding choice. Number 2, FN SCAR 16S. At number 2, we have the FN SCAR 16S, the civilian version of the U.S. military's Mk16, also known as the SCAR L. Developed by FN Herstal, this rifle is known for its modularity, rugged reliability, and performance in demanding environments. Chambered in 5.5645mm NATO, the SCAR 16S strikes a perfect balance between power and control, making it a favorite among tactical enthusiasts and professionals. Weighing 7.25 lbs with an adjustable length ranging from 27.5 inches to 37.5 inches, the SCAR 16S is highly adaptable, suitable for close-quarters combat or longer-range engagements. Its 16.25-inch cold hammer forged, chrome-lined barrel provides exceptional durability and accuracy. The monolithic upper receiver adds rigidity, while the free-floating barrel enhances precision, ensuring that your shots stay true even during rapid fire. The rifle features a short-stroke gas piston system that reduces fouling and heat transfer, contributing to its reliability in various conditions. Fully ambidextrous controls make it easy to operate for both left and right-handed users, and the telescoping, side-folding polymer stock allows for adjustable length of pull and cheek rest height for maximum comfort and control. The FN SCAR 16S is compatible with a wide range of accessories and optics, making it a versatile platform for any mission. The rifle is priced between $3,000 and $3,600, reflecting its high-quality engineering and military-grade performance. For those who want a rifle that combines durability, adaptability, and top-tier performance, the SCAR 16S stands as one of the best tactical rifles available today. Number 1, Springfield Armory M1A. Taking the top spot at number 1 is the Springfield Armory M1A, a true American legend. The M1A is a civilian version of the U.S. military's iconic M14, a rifle that has been used in combat since the 1950s. Known for its exceptional accuracy, reliability, and stopping power, the M1A continues to serve as a symbol of American strength and durability. Chambered in .308 Winchester, .762 NATO, the M1A delivers impressive firepower, providing 2,700 foot-pounds of energy at 100 yards. Weighing 9.3 lbs with a 22-inch barrel, it's a bit heavier than some other rifles, but that weight adds to its stability and accuracy, especially for long-range shooting. The M1A's semi-automatic action is smooth and reliable, making it a perfect choice for target shooting, hunting, or home defense. One of the key features of the M1A is its self-cleaning gas system, which keeps the rifle functioning in harsh conditions without the need for constant maintenance. The rifle's walnut stock not only adds a classic touch, but is also stable and durable in all weather conditions, ensuring the rifle's reliability over time. The trigger breaks cleanly at 4.5 lbs, allowing for precise shots, while the iron sights are fully adjustable for windage and elevation, offering excellent accuracy. Priced around $1,600 to $2,000 new, with used models ranging from $1,200 to $1,500. The Springfield Armory M1A is an investment in quality. Its rich history, combined with modern updates, makes it a rifle that stands the test of time. For anyone seeking a battle-proven, high-performance rifle, the M1A is the pinnacle of American firearm design. And that wraps up our list of the top 10 military-grade tactical rifles you can actually own. From the iconic Springfield Armory M1A to the versatile FN SCAR 16S, each of these rifles brings something unique to the table, whether it's reliability, precision, or cutting-edge design. These aren't just guns, they're pieces of military history, each one proven in battle and now available for you to own. If you enjoyed this list, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe to our channel, and drop a comment below to let us know which rifle caught your eye. Want to see more rifles, handguns, or tactical gear? We've got plenty more content coming your way. Thanks for watching, and remember, whether you're a collector, enthusiast, or just someone looking for a rifle that delivers, you can't go wrong with any of these military-grade options. Stay tuned for more.